Hello friends, welcome to our fun animal flashcards video. Let's learn together. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a cow. The cow says moo. C-O-W. Cow. This is a horse. The horse runs very fast. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. This is a dog. The dog says D-U-C-K. Dog. This is a chicken. The chicken says cluck cluck. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. This is a pig. The pig likes to roll in the mud. P-I-G. Pig. This is a sheep. The sheep says S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. This is a dog. The dog says D-O-G. Dog. This is a cat. The cat says C-A-T. Cat. This is the frog. The frog says F-R-O-G. Frog. This is a monkey. The monkey likes to swing. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. This is a turtle. The turtle walks slowly. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. This is a penguin. The penguin walks on ice. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. This is an elephant. This elephant has a long trunk. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. This is a rabbit. The rabbit has long ears. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. This is a lion. The lion says L-I-O-N. Lion. This is a goat. The goat likes to climb. G-O-A-T. Goat. This is a fish. The fish swims in water. F-I-S-H. Fish. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel.